Australia.
Favourite cartoon character when growing up?
Bugs Bunny.
Primary school.
Public transport company.
Childhood dream career you wanted to be?
Zoologist.
High school.
Cully, I remember boys.
First job.
Fruitology. My dad's fruit shop at 15.
How many years did you work in Sentas Fruit Shop?
26.
Is tomato a fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit.
When did you open up Niko's Kitchen?
2017.
In one word, how would you describe Niko's Kitchen?
Fun.
What does Greece mean to you?
Lonely.
Favourite place you visited in Greece?
Mykonos.
Last movie you've watched?
Scarface.
How many coffees do you have a day?
2.
If you had to give advice to young people opening up a business, what would it be?
Don't do it.
Favourite EPL team?
Manchester United.
What do you regard as the highest point in Man U's career?
The treble in 1999.
If you were stranded on a deserted island, who would you like to be with?
My wife.
If you could change one thing in the world, what would it be? Right, place of birth.
Sydney, Australia.
Favourite cartoon character?
Bugs Bunny.
Primary school.
Elwood Public and National Public.
Childhood dream you wanted to be?
Fruitologist.
Sure. You're actually going to say it.
I'm going to say it. Of course I'm going to say it. Why not? That's what I wanted to be when I grew up.
Are you rolling here?
Yeah.
You're rolling there?
Yeah.
Alright, you're rolling.